Starting in 3, 2. Purple platypus vending machine, quite a mouthful. The brown with the green cubes. And we have their Lions worker, Sexy Vaccines, grabbing some green cubes, putting up the goal.
Oh my God!
You can now switch drivers. All of these reds need to be scored. As we get down to 25 seconds, you must switch drivers. Purple platypus vending machine, grabbing even more cubes. As we get down to the last 15 seconds, both teams are trying to make the last effort to get as many cubes into those goals as they can. Sexy Vaccines trying to get some extra points from crossing the plane of the scoring zone.
Awesome.